Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm swatching 5 out of 6 colors from the Essie 2020 summer collection. The reason why this collection is almost a year late is because I just bought it back in October when I had my 30th birthday in 2020. I was on an Essie shopping spree and I actually purchased them myself at one of my local online stores. I know that they're really local because I can just drive to them if I want to. I know where their location is, their warehouse and stuff like that. But yeah, always support your local businesses. That's really important, especially these days with the whole pandemic going on and such. So yeah, I did purchase these myself. I got 5 out of 6 colors. There's one color in this collection which was a gold kind of metallic-y kind of color. I wasn't able to get my hands on that one. It was pretty much sold out a lot of months. Let me tell you that. I have searched everywhere for this color. And I was just like, okay, I already have that many golden metallic-y kind of colors, so let's just skip that one and just do a video on the other 5 colors from that summer 2020 collection. So yeah, it is a little late, and no, it isn't a typo in the title and stuff like that. It is the summer 2020 collection, and of course, if I am able to, I am going to purchase the 2021 summer collection as well, just like I did with the spring collection a couple of months ago too. So yeah, I am going to swatch all colors on my little thumb and just do 2 coats each probably. I'm not quite sure. I still have to swatch them now recording this voiceover. So yeah, I'm really curious to see what you guys think of these colors as well. There definitely are a couple of colors in here that are my favorites. I love the purple shade in here. That's not really something new. I really love pinks and purples and stuff like that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what color is your favorite. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well if you want to be noted every time I upload a new video. But thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I hope you enjoy. Grab something to drink, something to eat or snack, or even your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's start off with showing you the bottles because that is something I always do. Like I mentioned in the intro, I only got 5 out of the 6 colors from the summer 2020 collection, but I felt like these colors were too pretty not to share in a video, and I really wanted to share my thoughts and swatches on these as well. Not only just to make a video, it's pretty much because I want to share them with you and share how pretty they are, because I am getting kind of obsessed with these colors because they are so good. And Essie is a brand that I've been really falling in love with ever since when I bought these, which was October 2020. And I know they are a little bit more pricey. They are around 10 euros here in the Netherlands, which isn't drugstore pricing anymore in my opinion. So they are a little bit more pricey, like 10 bucks a bottle. That's not really inexpensive, but I do feel like the formula that Essie comes up with lately is getting better and better with every single collection that they do. I have a ton of Essie polishes which are actually really bad in pigmentation. They need 4 to 5 coats and they dry really slow. So I was really happy to see them improving it the last couple of collections. But yeah, I am going to apply the colors on my thumb, which still has a little bit of gel polish on it because there was a tear in the side and I didn't want to shorten it. So yeah, I am going to apply a base coat, of course, first, which is my favorite by PJR Care nail polish, but the first color is called Soak of the Sun or Soak of the Sun. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but this is a very, very gorgeous kind of tangerine like a corally orange kind of tone. And you guys know me, I am Dutch, and orange is actually our national color, and I just love orange. It's a gorgeous color. It is very fun to wear during spring and summer, but I do feel like that orange is one of those colors that goes really well going into the fall season as well, especially if you combine it with like ochre yellows or brown tones. I think orange is a gorgeous color that you can wear pretty much all year round. So the first layer, I am going to swatch all of the colors for 2 coats, of course, not adding a top coat for the sake of the video, as well as just to show you what the color does on its own. Sometimes top coats can like mend a little bit with the color and make it a little dull or just look different than the polish originally is. But this first coat, and I have already applied the second coat while watching this video, of course, they are really good, or at least this first one is really good. I don't want to spoil it for the rest of the video, but hands up, they are really good, like all of them. So that first color was just, it's definitely one of my favorites, but this second one is a color I think is quite, how do you say that? Like every brand has a color like this, and it's not a bad thing. This one is called Bustling Bazaar, and it is one of those teal kind of colors. I'd say it's teal. It's quite hard to describe. I feel like it's a very greenish kind of color, where teal has a little bit of blue in it as well, but I'd say it's more of like a greenish teal color. Let's just put it to that. But I was once again pretty amazed with the opaqueness of the first coat. Like a lot of the colors from this collection are pretty much opaque within that first layer. I do feel like this one, if I compare all 5, this one needed a little bit of a thicker coat to make it more like even and leveled out, if you know what I mean. But the second coat, of course, after waiting a couple of minutes before that first coat is dry, just go in with your second one. The second coat just makes it perfect, I'd say. I really love this color. Once again, it's a very cute color. If you are into greens and you don't want to wear like a typical spring green, I think this is one of those colors that is good for you, and also pretty much a color you can wear all year round, in my opinion. It's not just a spring or summer color, because this is the summer 2020 collection. I do feel like this color is one to buy, put it in your collection, and just stake it out every like 2 months or something like that, because it definitely works out well in fall and maybe winter as well. The next color is just a beautiful classic red. This one is called Spice It Up. It is one of those Christmassy reds in my opinion, but it does have something to it and I'm not quite sure what it is. But it really is a summery red as well. So yeah, kind of like a multi-functional kind of red color, because you can wear it for Valentine's Day. You can wear it in summer for like a fun red floral design or something. You can wear it during the holiday season in December as well. It is just such a gorgeous color. I don't know what it is, but this color has just that little oomph, that little like thing, and I don't know what it is, but I really love this red. It is a little less blue undertoned, I feel like the classic like Christmas red has a little bit more blue into it. Maybe this is more of like a neutral red. I'm not quite sure, but it has something and I like it. I like it a lot. And that first coat was already so opaque. Like I can't stop. I just can't get over the fact how good these polishes are. And I've had my fair share of really bad Essie polishes throughout the years. I'm so happy that they have improved their formula, especially when it comes to their creamy polishes. Like having to add 3 to 4, sometimes even 5 coats before it is completely opaque, that's just not cool, you know? So I'm really happy to see these colors and that they're just so opaque with that first layer already. I do think that if you have shorter nails, you can easily just go for 1 coat and you're good to go. But yeah, I always just apply 2 coats, you know? The next color is called Caftan or Caftan, however you want to pronounce it. You know, English isn't my mother tongue, so if I sometimes pronounce things a little different, I'm sorry. I'm Dutch. I can't help it. But yeah, this color isn't your typical summer color in my opinion. This is one of those ochre-y, like very deep ochre colors, I'd say. Kind of like towards caramel color even. It's, I don't know, in between a yellow and a brown, I'd say. It's not really a super orange tone. It's not as orange as the first color that I shared in my little swatcheroo that's going on in this video. But once again, that first coat is amazeballs. I love it. It is so gorgeous. And ooh, I really wanted to mention as well that the brushes of the newer Essie polishes, like newer, I mean newer from like 2020, or at least when I started to really buy Essie again. I really love the brushes. They're really nicely rounded. They really flow nicely across the nail as well. They don't drag, they don't streak. So yeah, I really love that. Like, big thumbs up for Essie when it comes to their brushes as well. But this color, it's just really gorgeous, very opaque once again. Within that first coat, almost completely opaque. And I think it's a really cute color for fall as well. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but it's a gorgeous color. Then the last color from this collection, or at least the last color that I got, it is called Worth the Dazzle, and this is a purple. And if you have been hanging out with me, you know that I am a sucker for pinks. I'm a sucker for purples. I don't really wear them a lot anymore because a lot of the purples that I have in my collection are actually pretty staining, so I tend to use them for like water marbles if I have already applied like a white opaque base color like underneath the water marble. I feel like it gives a little bit more protection to my nails from staining and discoloration, but this color, I don't think it will be a super staining color, so I think I'm going to wear it a lot this upcoming season, like summer season, but spring as well, because it's just a lovely, I'd say medium, light to medium kind of purple. It's a really nice one, and I do think that this purple tone will suit a lot of different skin tones as well. This is just how it looks on me, but if you have like a super beautiful rich dark skin tone, I think this will be a really popping color, and it just pops off of the nail, you know, really eye-catching. But once again, a very nicely opaque, no dragging, no streaking, it isn't patchy at all, and I am just a big fan. But yeah, this was the entire summer 2020 collection already by Essie, or at least minus the gold one that I wasn't able to get my hands on. Thank you so much for watching, I really hope you liked it, and yeah, let me know which color is your favorite, and I hope to see you in my next video.